Giselle's dad raises these fighting birds. They're everywhere. You can see everywhere. They sell them for 10,000 pesos. You get 3 birds and then you take them to fight. Sorry about all the movement. This is not an easy place to walk. Oh, I'm gonna fall down. But I thought everybody ought to see. As you can see, everywhere. I have no idea what kind of bird it is. I will ask, and then they can tell me. Major sport in the Philippines. We got babies everywhere. They actually have them everywhere in the city. Babies everywhere. Daddies everywhere. 10,000 pesos, that's about $190 in here. You can see we have more babies. It's a lucrative business here. They all do it. I know this is very shaky video, but this is what they do. They raise these birds to feed themselves. As far as the eye can see, birds. And then, of course, we have the special females in here. So everybody can see, and people that are more knowledgeable than me will know what I'm talking about, or people that actually care. They're kind of cool though, very pretty. Pretty bird. The smaller ones are younger, and of course they're not ready. The ones that are tied are males of a certain age, and I will find out what age and post below. They have to tie them up at that time, because of course you know what they like to do, because that's what they're bred for. They actually even mix them, mix different breeds. Some are bigger, some are smaller. I know I've got very little knowledge. I don't know if that's really a bad thing. Oh, I'm gonna fall. What we got? Babies everywhere. And of course I just showed you the breeding mothers. But I thought this was kind of interesting. This little tiny area. I haven't counted them. I think I will before I go. And I will post below. But you can see the numbers. $180 approximate. 10,000 pesos. You get 3 birds. They seem to be prolific breeders. breeders, which I'm not here to educate because I don't know. Just here to give you an idea. Pigs in the back. Right there. They claim there's no money in pigs. And they say there's no money in pigs. I'm sure there is no money in pigs. Remember, you have to buy the grain to feed the pigs. And they eat a lot. That's why they call them pigs. Ha ha. Just everywhere you look. Way down there. Ah, that one went down the hill. Must be a female. We've got even more hiding. I can't walk. Solid mud. And you from Missouri, you could say it's about the same as Missouri mud on the side of a hill, so you understand. I don't know what you can see, but every one of those little shelters has chickens in it, male, female. And this will be Dad's brothers, mom, brother, sister, whatever, land. Back here, the house is to your right, and they farm that way back there. Corn, which you get every time it's done, you pick it and you plant again. Because the weather's perfect at all times for raising. There it is. Look at all those chickens. I don't know if you can see them. Probably missed them. There was about 12, 14 walking with them. Way back there. I'm sure you didn't see it. Interesting though. Too bad I missed it. Feeding them. Probably won't be a good video for normal people, and a lot of people will hate this. But there's nothing you can do. It is what it is. And so this, I thought, should be shown. There's the way in the back. These are white Ellico chickens. Why they call them white, I do not know. But before I post the video, I will definitely look it up and become more educated. They're everywhere. White Ellico. American chickens. They have to tie the males up at 5 months old because they'll start fighting. I have no idea how many there are. 34 chickens and 10 babies. They're everywhere. White Ellico. An American breed. And I'll say it one more time. They sure have looked like, well, a minute count. I showed them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hens that are currently pregnant. It looks like ones have about 5 babies. That would be 25 babies on the way, 10 already here. And half of them are male, that would be 12. Oh, I'm going to try to get down this hill, just like Missouri mud, without killing a bird. I have to buy it. Cost me 60 American dollars. White elephant, American birds. Most of them are white. I don't know why they call them that. They get up at the crack of dawn, you might guess, and chirp away. There's a city boy for you. Chirp. Bro. So, my experience here, Giselle's dad, here we go, and he is feeding. Let me get him in there. Guess I better flip it over.